Step into a world of warmth, creativity, and handmade beauty in this video. Discover unique crochet wall hanging designs that bring texture, love, and comfort into your home. Along the way, enjoy a touching story about how a simple thread can connect hearts, memories, and dreams. Perfect for crafters, homemakers, and dreamers who find beauty in handmade art. Today we step into a world where threads speak, story where hand wave emotion, and where every knot carries love. We are talking about something timeless, something gentle, crochet handmade wall hanging. You might think it's just yarn and pattern, but it's much more. It's art that hugs or your walls, whisper creativity and add softness to your home. So take a deep breath, feel the coziness of your room, and let's begin our journey of crochet imagination and inspiration. Crochet wall hanging are not just decoration pieces, they are stories made with patience. Each loop, each twist of yarn tells something about the person who made it. You can create them in boho style, minimalist geometry pattern, or vintage floral design. Use soft peach, off-white, or pastel pink for calm and cozy look, or go bold with rustic orange, green, or golden yellow for festive touch. Hang them above your bed, your sofa, or even your kitchen nook and see how your space suddenly feel alive, warmth, and love. Once there was a woman named Mira who loved to crochet. Every evening she would sit near her window with a warm cup of tea and a basket of colorful yarn. Her home was small, but her imagination was endless. She used leftover thread to make little hanging flowers, heart, and tassels. Each piece she made was reflection of her mood, soft pink or peaceful days, deep blue or quiet nights. One day her little daughter asked, "Mom, why do you make these?" Mira smiled and said, "Because every stitch is memory, every color is a dream." When guests came over, they always admired the walls, not because they were perfect, but because they felt alive. That's the magic of handmade things. They carries your heart in their art. Crochet small flowers and leaves, then arrange them on a wooden stick. Add fairy lights, your wall will bloom like spring. Triangle diamonds and zigzag use contrasting colors to bring modern twist a traditional crochet. Frame teeny crochet hearts or mandals inside the photo frames. It's an easy and elegant DIY. Combine rustic jute with soft yarn. It's give an earthy and artistic vibes, perfect for cozy living room. In crochet, if one stitch goes wrong, you don't throw it away. You gently undo it and try again, just like life. Maybe that's why handmade art feels so emotional. It reminds us that everything beautiful takes time. But before we end, remember Mira words, every each is memory, every color is a dream. So pick up your yarn, feel the softness between your fingers and let your imagination flow. Because when you make something with love, your home smiles back at you. Thanks for watching. God bless you.